Hi students, welcome to Python Programming Lab Series. I am Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In our previous class, we learned about inheritance concept in Python. In this session, we will see one real-time example of inheritance. A overview of the presentation. In this session, we will see one real-time scenario that demonstrate the practical application of inheritance. Outcome of this lecture, at the end of this lecture, you all are able to understand how inheritance is applied in real world systems, how inheritance can be used to model common relationships between different entities, and you implement inheritance in Python to solve real world problems efficiently. Problem statement. Here, in a school management system, we manage different roles like person, student, and teacher. Each role shares some basic details. What are the basic details? The basic details are name, age. Now, these two attributes, name, age, are common in all the classes: person, student, and teacher. Now, so these name and age are defined in a class person, and I inherit the person into the classes student and teacher. Along with this, it has unique characteristics: subject for teachers and roll number for students. Along with these name and age, the subject attribute is for teachers. Now, this subject find in the class teacher and the roll number for student. So, the roll number is defined in student class. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we can use inheritance to build structured and maintainable solution. Okay, so let us see the solution. In this program, I define three classes. One is person, another one is student, third one is teacher. Now, in the problem statement, they mention name and age is common to all the classes. So, I define this name, age in class person. Now, when we inherit this person into another class, then automatically this name and age will inherited automatically. Okay, now, so these name and age are defined in constructor. Similarly, the student object have another attribute known as roll number. Okay, so now, so teacher have the attribute subject. Okay, now here I will create object to the derived classes. Pause the video and try to identify the type of the inheritance here. Okay, here this is the person class. Now another class is student, another class is teacher. Okay, now the student is inherited from the person. So this person have two attributes, name, age, and one function and one method, show info. Now these three is inherited to the student. Along with this, the student have another attributes, roll number, and another method is show student. Okay, these two attributes and roll number are in the class student. Similarly, the teacher is also inherited from the class person. So, the name, age, show info. So, these three inherit into the teacher, and the teacher also have one attributes, subject, and one method, show teacher. Okay. Now, we create the object to derived classes. in this case the derived classes are student, teacher. Now this is the student and this is the teacher. Now the object yes is created to the class student here. So I call student Ramu 20 roll number. Now this, whenever the object is created, automatically the constructor in the class will be invoked. So the Ramu is assigned to name, so 20 is assigned to age, roll number is assigned to roll number here. Here, this is very important, the super method. The super method we use to call the constructor of parent class. Okay, you remember this. The super method we use to call the constructor in parent class. Now for this student, what is the parent class? Person. Now in person also there is a constructor. I want to invoke this constructor with the help of super. Super dot initiate name and age. Now this name, what is the name here? Ramu and age 20 assigned to the name and age in person. Now this name equals to Ramu, age equals to 20. Okay, so these two belongs to class student only. Now the roll number is assigned to roll number. What is the roll number? 23AR005. Okay, now s dot show info. Now s dot show info means that is in the parent class. It displays name colon Ramu comma age 20 as output. Then we call the function show student. So it prints roll number 23AR005. Similarly, we create object to the class teacher. What is the object name here? T. So teacher Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar 38 Python programming. So this name is assigned to name here Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar. Age is 38. So Python programming is assigned to subject here, Python program. Okay. So now we call T dot show info. It prints name Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, age 38. T dot show teacher. It displays subject Python programming as output. I hope you all are understand the inheritance concept. So let us execute this program. So this is the output for this program. So coming to summary of the session. In this session, we learn how we use inheritance in real-time applications. So use of inheritance in this scenario help to reduce code repetition and enhance the code reusability, making the system more organized and scalable. In our example, we created a class person. Now this person have the attributes age and name. We define only once, but we reuse this name and age in two classes. One is student class, another one is teacher class. I hope you all are understand inheritance concept. If you have any doubts, so place your doubts in the comment section. Next class, we will learn about polymorphism in Python. Thank you.